Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel with this new video. I am welcoming all of you with so many beautiful and stylish as well as gorgeous designs of crochet beanies, crochet hats that can be used for babies, kids, toddlers, for women belonging to groups of almost all age groups, and for girls, teenagers that want to look stylish. You can see on your screen so many beautiful and easy to make designs that can give you so many ideas. Actually, crochet head pattern is designed using a stitch that resembles like the star stitch, but it is easy to work and perfect for beginners because sometimes the beginners think that they cannot do the things so nicely, but this is not reality. The things that look like some difficult things are not actually in real in this way. You can go for these things because these are so simple, so easy to handle. You can use your free time and you can create so many wonderful things. Even you can make this crochet beanies pattern to build your craft fair inventory, as the hat works up very fast. Actually, you can even make them as a gift for the upcoming holidays if you are planning to give some beautiful gifts to your babies. Even then, these ideas are so good and so beautiful because whenever we try to make something, it is so essential that we must know about the trends that are prevailing and the latest things and the things that are actually trendy, because trends are the things that make actually the things look so stylish. Whenever you create things, almost everyone thinks that the thing must be unique, the style must be unique as well as stylish. And crochet is super comfortable because it is never irritating. One feels so comfortable while wearing these beanies. You can design for your own self, for your grandmother, for your parents, for your kids, as well as your friends. You can even style these things and you can present as a gift on some important events like some birthdays. I hope these things would be surely a sign of love and a very positive gestures from your side. On your screens you can see so many beautiful color patterns. Some are buttoned, some are with flowers, some are in a laced pattern, some are actually in a hairstyle, and some are in a animal ear style, for example like bunnies pattern. And important thing is that if you pay a little attention to these things, you can easily get to know how to go for the patterns, how to design, how to complete these things. And during lockdown, it is one of the most positive activities that gives you the courage, strength, and actually the profitable things. So going for these is super amazing and super crazy. Go for these are never ending. You can go for these. And one more thing, that if you like to see any other thing from my collections, you can go to my playlist and watch there. And if you want to see something else that I should bring here, you can tell me in the comment section. I would be bringing more collections that would surely be a center of attention for almost all of you. If you are liking my video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and watch the other videos too. Now let's see all the designs, all the ideas on the screens. You can see these are beautiful. This pinkish one is so cute, and this one has a soft pink shade but having eyes like in black color and making the item so prominent and so cool. And this one is also super cute. The kid is looking so stylish because of wearing this, and she's also looking in a very comfort condition because crochet is something, I think it is synonymous for comfort, because it gives style, it gives comfort, it gives almost everything. Because I think there is nothing in the world that can't be made with crochet. Everything around us can be made with crochet. All you need to do is go and pick some yarn or any other thing, and you can utilize these things to make beautiful things. Even we can use the leftover yarn and we can style and make and create beautiful artistic pieces. For example, this one is so cute, and these ones are also super stylish. You can see the kids are looking charming while wearing these, because these are so nice and so bright that they can add brightness as well as charm as well as style with beauty to your kids. Even you can go somewhere with these in a very comfortable way. If you have to go to market in a weather that you want to feel cozy and comfortable, you can surely go with these. Even your kids can feel so comfortable when they go outside, when they are playing, when they are going somewhere. If they can't carry the heavy shawls or other things, then these beanies are actually for them. So go for these, get the ideas, style some of these for your kids, for yourselves, and just let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care, bye bye.